the chaos over the NEET examination irregularity continues. In fact, the opposition continues to train guns on the centre. The Congress is now holding protests at all of its state headquarters today in an effort to demand justice for students. In fact, on your screens are the visuals there of the Congress protests from across the nation: Lucknow, Jaipur, Patna, Hyderabad. Congress now clearly training guns at the centre. Placards demanding accountability are also being raised. Now, the protests, of course, remain underway at all of these locations that we are showing. Let's also listen in to what the protesters have to say.
The Congress is staging protests throughout the India and demanding the justice for the students of NEET. I would like to, just because we are inside the Punjab Congress office, and I would like to show you the visuals of the protest from here, if you can see. And even this is a massive protest. And Pratibha, the most important point is that Congress parliamentarian elected from Punjab, he has announced from the stage that issue will be taken up in the parliament also, and they are demanding to reschedule the NEET exam and cancel all the results and existing exam also. So this is all is happening, and in fact they are straight away leveling the allegations against the BJP in 7 parliamentarians from the state of Punjab, and in fact they have decided to take up the issue in the parliament also in the upcoming session, the first session of newly formed Modi 3.0. So here you can see all the leaders, former ministers, parliamentarians, and in fact the Punjab Congress chief and elected parliamentarian from Ludhiana. He has also joined the protest. He is also reaching the protest. So they are continuously raising the slogans against Modi government, against BJP government, and demanding the justice for the students of NEET. And even they have decided to take up the issue in the parliament also, and they are demanding to reschedule the exam of NEET. And here you can listen also. We will try to speak to the Punjab Congress chief also, that who has just arrived here, and we will try to speak to Raja Madeng also. Sir, you are today holding a very massive protest throughout the India, and you are going to attend the parliament session. So what is the demand?
So demand is, I think, under the Supreme Court की निगरान में मेरे को लगता है इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए. The way they said कि भाई CBI इंक्वायरी होगी, CBI under the Prime Minister only. अभी तक देश में 41 बार एग्जाम लीक हो चुके हैं, 41 टाइम्स 5 साल के अंदर. बीजेपी कहती है कि हमने यूक्रेन की लड़ाई बंद करा दी है, लेकिन मेरे को लगता है कि देश में पेपर लीक तो बंद नहीं हुआ. 23.5 लाख नौजवानों के भविष्य की बात है. तो उसके लिए हमने पूरे देश भर में इसी प्रकार से प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सिटिंग जज के नीचे ये इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, नॉट अंडर द CBI.
Congress party is holding a nationwide protest against the NEET exam, as yesterday only Rahul Gandhi had made several allegations against the government of India, and for that matter now today the Delhi Congress is holding its protest outside the Delhi Congress office, and we have been joined by some of the protesters here, as you can see in the visuals as well, that this is a symbolic protest which they are doing, and this is the eyes which the protesters are holding up on the red along with some of the notebooks as well. Let us go across to them that what message they want to give to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप, क्यों आप ये बर्फ इसलिए
नहीं चाहते? उस अहंकारी और हिटलरशाही सरकार को बताना चाहते हैं जिस तरीके से हिंदुस्तान के अंदर गर्मी चल रही है. आपने बच्चों को आज गर्मी के अंदर लगा रखा है, पेपर लीक कर रखे हैं. हम उसी का जवाब और हिसाब मांगने आए हैं और पूछने आए हैं. मोदी सरकार आप बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं, लेकिन आज पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं, उस पर आप चुप रहते हैं. ये बहुत ही शर्म की बात है. बच्चों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ ना करो. बच्चे महंगाई के दौर में माँ बाप बच्चे को पढ़ा रहे हैं, यही बहुत है, लेकिन आप उनके पेपर लीक करके उनके 1 साल 2 साल बर्बाद कर रहे हैं और कहते हैं इस धांधली को रोकेंगे और उस पर जवाब नहीं देते. यह आप नाइंसाफी बर्दाश्त नहीं की जाएगी. ये जगह जगह जिस तरीके से पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं वही दिखाने के लिए आए हैं. हिंदुस्तान के अंदर आज जगह जगह जिस तरीके लीकेज चल रही है पेपर को, वही दिखाने के लिए हम यहाँ पर आए हैं.
पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं मैडम. कल जिस तरह से धर्मेंद्र प्रधान की तरफ से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की गई है। उन्होंने
देवेंद्र
बोला है
प्रधान जी सिर्फ बातें करते हैं, वो बच्चों की बातों का जवाब नहीं देते। आज बच्चे गर्मी के अंदर, आज हीट चल रही है, आज 48 से 50 डिग्री टेम्परेचर है, उस पर बात नहीं करते। सिर्फ बातों से पेट नहीं भरता, बच्चों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं किया जाएगा, और बच्चों के साथ खिलवाड़ करोगे तो आप हिंदुस्तान की जनता आपको कभी माफ नहीं करेगी।
As you have listened to the voices from the ground, as these are the Congress workers who are currently holding a protest outside the Delhi Congress office, as they are saying and demanding that there should be re-examination of the NEET exam. They are also saying that this is a paper leak and it is the responsibility of the government of India to take the strong measures so that this cannot be repeated in the future, because this is related to the youth of this country and it is very much needed that strict action needs to be taken against all those because of whom these paper leaks are happening all across the country.
These are protests that are breaking out nationwide now by the Congress party, and much like other states in the north as well. You know, even in Karnataka, I'd like to give you an image of what's really happening. My video journalist Sunil would be able to give you a sense right now of the kind of protests that are breaking out at the Congress Bhavan in Bengaluru. Remember, the demand, of course, you know, across the country is the same. It's the same sentiment that's being echoed over here, is that one, the Prime Minister, in fact, should break silence on the issue. 2, there must be a re-examination of the NEET exam for the students. And 3, that Union Education Minister, in fact, Dharmendra Pradhan, should step down from his position. This is, of course, a demand now that's being, you know, of course, sentiment, of course, you know, that's being echoed right now by Congress leaders across the country. We'll try and, of course, you know, get in a word here from, of course, you know, Congress leader Mohammad Nalpad as well, who's joining us right now. Very quickly, if I can ask you, you know, Congress is protesting across the country today, but the demand remains the same. What is the demand?
That the need should be shunned, CET should become what was there earlier. The people of Karnataka should be getting more opportunities. The central minister yesterday says somewhere little is being leaked. First, he should resign. Have some, you know, chromos that you couldn't take care of a paper. You don't have the basics to control the paper. How are you going to control the future of these youths?
So clearly there, the Congress upping the ante across the nation, protesting at all its state headquarters across the nation. We'll of course be getting you that. But meanwhile, the government clearly is on a back foot. Now, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has assured that action will be taken. A high-level pro-panel has also been formed. This is what the Education Minister has to say. In fact, he's further added that zero-error exams are the top priority of the government and that the guilty will not be spared.